St. Charles, Illinois is no stranger to innovation. Dreamers, makers, and entrepreneurs know that when you start a business here, your ideas will take shape and grow in unimaginable ways. The Made in St. Charles program celebrates that drive for not just settling for making and selling a product here in St. Charles, but delivering joy, pushing creative and artistic boundaries, and making something to be proud of. You may have seen them at local farmers markets, but in 2021, Gindo's opened their dream home here in St. Charles. When you walk in the store, you'll find shelves lined with delectable hot sauces made and bottled right in their facility. Take a dive into a wide range of flavors and spice levels with homemade sauces crafted through Chris Ginder's years of experience and innovation. We encourage everyone to visit their store and see just how their sauces can add some spice to your life.